Vince and I are going to give you a tour of our Regent Hotel room. So we're on the 11th floor and we've got a king size classic room, and it is beautiful. So we're just going to take you around now. Let's do this. Okay. So this is the entry. It's really cold. Oh, not really cold, but it's fairly cold in Beijing at the moment. It's about 9 degrees. So we've got this beautiful view out here. Isn't that just stunning? I'm so excited. It looks absolutely beautiful. If I pan around to the room, I think there's just all these little details which are really nice. Like the ceiling, look at that. The ceiling's beautiful. They've got a, yeah, they got a nice little desk here as well if you wanted to do some work. And it feels really just warm and welcoming. You know, sometimes I think hotel rooms can feel a bit stale, but this is just so nice. So we'll take you back. Look at that. Just like a random vase. So we'll go into the bathroom. And there's me. We have a freestanding bath. Beautiful vanity here. Mirror. Just like little pieces of artwork, which I think really tie everything in together nicely. And then we've got, toilet. And shower. Shower is, I'd have to say maybe a little small, you know, for like a nice 5-star hotel, but still very nice. It's a bit cracked and stuff in there. Anyway, but overall, beautiful, beautiful room. And actually on the back of this door, I noticed there is a mirror. Isn't this great? I'm in love. I think, look, if I ever came back here again, I would probably stay here if I came to Beijing. I mean, look, we haven't even stayed here one night. We'll see how it goes. But I already love it. Oh my God, so many mirrors. Maybe this is why I love it. And I'm just gonna take you back to this view again. I just can't express how warm and welcoming this room feels. Isn't this beautiful? Anyway. Well, Vince and I are off. We're gonna go find a Peking duck restaurant to eat dinner with. We only just got off the high-speed train maybe like half an hour ago, and then we got a taxi straight here. So a little tired, but because we've been sitting around all day, I'm ready to go for a bit of a walk, get something to eat, and maybe just explore the nearby streets.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Bye.